In this video, I'm going to show you how we can enter and exit the recovery mode on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. So first of all, you need to prepare a USB cable and you have to connect your phone to your computer. So let's just do that right away. Here we go. After that, we can go to the quick settings panel. There we go. Here in the upper right corner, you can find the power button. So let's tap on it. And then you want to turn the phone off. And after that, you will have to press and hold power and volume up button and just keep holding these two buttons all the time. So just patiently keep holding and then wait until you get into the recovery mode. In case after 15 seconds nothing happens, you can release both of these buttons and press them again. So let's try that again. There we go. And now just keep holding. Even though you see Samsung logo, you want to keep holding. And there we go. Now we are in the recovery mode. Now the cable is not needed anymore, so we can just unplug it. And this is how the recovery mode looks like. Over here, we can navigate in this menu by using volume buttons. And if you want to select something from this list, once it is selected over here, actually, you want to press the power button to confirm your selection. And if you want to exit the recovery mode, you just have to make sure that the reboot system now option is selected and of course press the power button. Then the phone is going to restart and it's going to go back to the normal mode. Leave a like and subscribe.